In this video, I'm going to take you through two examples of subtracting mixed numbers with like denominators. In the first example, we're going to take 5 and 4 fifths and subtract 2 and 2 fifths. On the left side of the slide, we're going to line up our mixed numbers vertically and type them into the boxes. Then we'll go to the fractions first and subtract them. 4 fifths minus 2 fifths is 2 fifths. And then we'll subtract the whole numbers. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Next, we look to see if we can take our fraction and simplify it or reduce it. We cannot simplify 2 fifths, so our final answer is 3 and 2 fifths. In the second example, we're going to take 7 and 11 twelfths and subtract 3 and 5 twelfths. Again, we're going to record the mixed numbers on the left side of the slide. Then we're going to subtract the fractions. 11 twelfths minus 5 twelfths is 6 twelfths. And then we subtract the whole numbers, so 7 minus 3 is 4. We'll look at our fraction 6 twelfths to determine if we can reduce it. 6 twelfths can be reduced, so we're going to divide 6 twelfths by its greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. The numerator and denominator are 6 and 12, and their greatest common factor is 6, so we'll divide both the numerator and denominator by 6 to get a reduced fraction of 1/2. Our final answer is a combination of the whole number and our reduced fraction, 4 and 1/2.